me see please, because the name of the village is Ait Ben Adou. Ait Ben Adou, this is the name of the village, because what is mean? Ait Ben Adou. Ait is a family name. Ben is the son of Hadou, and Hadou is the boss of the village. It's mean the family of the son of the boss. Okay? And please, Ait Ben Adou, I have two villages. This part, this is the old village, and this part, this is the new village. And please, between old village and new village, I have big river. You know, between old village and new village, I have big river. And before, all these people live here is original from the old village.
My father name is Ibrahim and my mother name is Hakima. I have three brothers and two sisters. Name is Hassan, is 29, and Samad 14, and Marwa 12, and I have 5 years, and Ilyas 1 year. My favorite subject English and mathematics and physics and French, and my favorite sport basketball.
Yeah, it's a big room here. Wow, very big. We'll have to come back later. We'll take our shoes off to go in here. Okay, very nice, very nice. We have another room in here where there's rugs, so you have to take your shoes off.
And now the family, they eat in here. When it's family, the family, they eat here. This is where they're making TV, you see, for TV. Now it's all inside because with earthquake, this one is broken. And this is the place where Hakima Ibrahim, this is the room where the kitchen, you can look. And the kitchen, I have one woman, is the aunt of Ibrahim, the aunt.
Oh, okay, very nice in here. Yeah. This is the kitchen in here. Oh yeah, I can smell the food cooking here.
This is for making couscous.
Ah, okay.
And to make couscous is a 3 hour.
3 hours, they're making couscous over there. Okay. Wow.
And couscous,
stove there and everything.
Okay, you can go this way.
Yeah, here. Oh, we got a little garden out here. Open space. Oh, crack up there, yeah. Looks like grapes up there growing. We're going this way here. Gotta watch my head here. Low ceiling. Come out to another courtyard here. Nice good sized ladder there. Out and back here. Ah, this is where okay. That's the oven where they make the bread here. We got chickens here.
Goat?
Oh, goats, a sheep over there.
Goat.
Goats, okay, yeah, goats. I see the horns on them. Oh, guys.
Please come close because they want
Yeah, oh yes, I go.
to show you how they're making bread. Come in close, please. Everyone, come in close.
Be closer to the fire.
Be close, please. Sarah,
Oh, thank you.
Sarah, لا حكيمة. Sarah, لا حكيمة. دبجة.
That's the dough there.
And this one, هم بدني ياخذون يسوون سوق.
ينوس كيبدا ينوس
يمكن أنت حكيمة. And please, the women here, please, because you come to this village, you don't come to see the people and the building. You come to learn. If you have any question about ladies, you're free to speak. Because your company, they bring you here to learn about the life of the people. If you have any question about women and about kids, about family, you're free to speak, okay?
Sure.
And please, because I ask the women here, the women don't make any bread every day, even other day. And please, and يغطسون ديكارو ماشي تعرف تمزر ديكارو تقنت ولا كي ودت تسحمو. And please, the women here when they're making bread is not always the first woman have to be forced to make fire. Even other day, one woman have to be forced. They take
rotate.
You know why? Because for the first wife to make a hot oven, they take 40 minutes. For the last woman to cook his bread is very easy because the oven is already hot.
It's ready.
Okay?
How many kinds of bread? One type of bread or many kinds of bread?
ينشكل ما تسكر بلان بزاف الاشكال. Yeah, it depends just how you mix it. The bread they look the same.
Okay.
Just sometimes you make barley flour mixed with wheat, mixed with corn.
Okay, a few different.
Yeah, made the bread, they look the same.
They put it right on the coals.
This is the name Tefernet bread. Tefernet is the name of the oven.
Right on the coals.
Okay? No, it's not the coals, it's the stones. Stones.
Oh, stones.
Yes,
Stones.
they put
Okay.
in the stones.
Okay. I
And
got you.
the best wood to make bread is almond. You know almond?
Yeah.
You know why? Because almond wood, no smoke. No smoke. And now please, I need some volunteer women to make some bread.
And it's all toughened up inside there. Look at that.
No, Hakima, they told you government light.
Oh, I see government.
Yes,
okay.
now it's doing Julega, مش وين تقيل.
Does he have to pay?
Huh?
He has to pay money?
Yeah,
for-
every month.
Okay.
Every month have factor.
Okay, bill,
Bills.
yeah.
That was so fast.
There's the one stand down
Oh, that's why it's inside has
there. The oven there.
stuffing. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
There, now I brought you food. You're happy now. I brought him food, so he's happy. There he is down there. Okay, feeding him. Okay. That's where we got the straw for the animals here. Now we're coming back out here to the outside. Oh, we got plenty of stuff. Looks like olive branches here.
Making a break, okay?
Straw, making bricks here.
And it's mixed mud, straw, manure. Mud, straw, manure. They mix it all together. And
Making
after they
bricks.
put it in this farm. See what's the bright? خمسة الكيلو طبامس.
Oh, he's putting it in the mold there. In the mold. And there we got straw and mud and some water. And mixed in there. That's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
Well, we got our chairs. We're walking here. We're following the lady of the house going somewhere. We're going to have a little sit down here and see what takes place here. All right, look at these walls, all made out of stone and mud and straw. We're out in the fields here now. There's more bricks back there. Little corral over there. A couple trees. Hey, it could be olive trees. I don't know. Maybe. You put the tea in there. 3 teaspoons of tea. The water's cooking. You're gonna pour the water in there. Mix it a little bit.
glass of hot water, then you rinse it.
Excuse me.
Marwa, Aya. How did swimming? Antela.
I'm gonna heat it back up again.
Because when they
Onions, spices, and some other things there. So, yeah. It looks pretty good. Yeah. Pouring out the tea now. We're gonna have absinthe in there too, I think.
the
It's
best
green
tea is
tea.
the one that you drink in fields. Or the best food is wherever you eat
Ah,
outside.
look at
that to
this
be
in
very
here.
delicious.
We grab a little piece here. Thank you. All right. Filled with spices and different things in there. Cilantro. It's warm. It looks tasty in here. So, all right. I need 2 hands to eat now. Hey, wow. Look at that. He's on there. He's eating some grass and everything. The kids are going to be on there. Wow. Look at that. He's eating He's going to go back and everything there. They're making
you have-
couscous.
What kind of flour?
ديال
Just regular.
عادي.
on wheat. With flour, then you mix it with the water, just add a little bit of water. So you can do it even from flour. So it can be from flour, it can be semolina as well. So and when you say from flour, so she is using now with flour. But when it comes to semolina, it can be wheat, it can be flour, it can be barley, and it can be corn, and it can be also the millet.
Oh, millet.
Millet as well, you can get like the best
Yeah.
couscous out of the millet, but as I said, it's very expensive. So you have to sieve it after. So if you want to do more quantities, you can work with that, but now you have to do this, just this.
Ah. And
So then you get it like semolina, like grains.
اليوم نقدر تنديرو بصلة واللحم وكنديرو حزيرة عاد تنديرو خضرة.
تديرو and then chicken or beef or lamb whatever, and then spices and olive oil and then the meat, and then it's after that you do the vegetables. So this is the outcome.
This is our finished product of the couscous. Here,
Didn't want to get in your way.
ladled out here. So yeah. All right.
I think
Okay, now they ladle out the rest of the vegetables there. Oh, that looks great.
On your back. Were you by the stove? To stay warm?
كاين
I was outside.
You're outside.
Ladle them out here, all the rest of the vegetables.
حيت كاينين جوج
You got pumpkin, eggplant, zucchini, cabbage,
كاين واحد يشبه لك
carrots,
يا الزلاني تو شلح
some peas or beans or something there. Chickpeas maybe, I'm not sure. Looks like a potato or a turnip.
No.
And some hot peppers over there. I like the looks of those. Oh, that's great. Nice and hot too. Good presentation there. You lay everything out.
هذاك مصطفى
It's all even.
واعر
Beef coming out now. They're adding to it. Beef.
Yes, I know that.
it's blood circulation.
More beef is adding in there. Oh yeah. Boy, this will be a hearty meal here for sure. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Saying goodbye to them. We're saying goodbye to all of them out there. We're saying goodbye, 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 goodbye.